Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove the background of a picture in Capcut for a PC. So first one is have a picture. So guys, first thing that you will do is have a picture on the import icon over here or the import tray. So click on import and just simply select the file that you want to import in the CapCut. And now from here, as you can see, I have a sample over here, which is a mouse. So guys, this will be just an example. And from here, go for the video on the top right corner and then go for the cut out over here. So from here, you will have two options. You could either go for chroma key, which you could pick a certain color that you would like to be removed, or you could go for auto cut over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And now let's say I'm gonna go for color picker over here and select the white, and I'm gonna put the strength into, for example, 1, and I'm gonna adjust the shadow over here. So in order for you to make it visible, just simply add another picture as your background and put the picture that you have removed the background to. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to have the mouse and it should be able to remove the background. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.